Hi, I'm Paul Block. For all you YouTubers out there, I'm going to prove that I make the best knife sharpener in the country. I am the maker of the Block Sharpener. I'm going to sharpen knives here at the Miami Gun Show for free. I'm going to do over 100 knives today, and I'm going to show you the Block Sharpener is the best. Forget the rest. I do very high-end knives such as Randall's. I got $400 knives made by Cobb, some of the best knife makers in the country. My sharpeners are different than others. They're made to flex, so when you draw an expensive blade through there, the pins pinch back, picks up on the original bevel, puts the original edge back in any kind of knife. You will not devalue a good knife, you'll get it sharp. Knife. Feel the difference. That works, don't it? And I'm going to show you, I didn't hit just the tips. It went all the way through the whole tooth. Top to bottom, all the way through. Now on the smooth edge, squeeze it in there tight, draw through. As you get sharp, bring the back of the knife up higher. Use a leather belt when you're done too, that helps. I'll show you what I do next. Take your leather belt and just press and turn the blade up. Then bring it the other way. That polishes, it gives it a little more edge. Once you start using the leather, you'll do it all the time. Alright. Let your buddy know there's live videos on the website. We put it right above our name on the handle. It shows you how to use them.
Pretty sharp.
Watch this. These do serrades awesome. I have not found one it won't do. I've done every style possible. Roll them in the middle. It will not chew them up. No metal comes off at all. You can see the shine in the tooth all the way from top to bottom. Grab a piece of paper here. Show you it went all the way through the entire tooth. Feel how sharp the teeth went. That work? Let me show you the front up now. Squeeze them in there tight on the front, draw through. Quicker than stones, better for your knife's edge. I'm going to do your serrate on there first and let you check it out. You roll serrades in the middle, they get it to vibrate, chatter through the teeth. No metal comes off, feel the teeth on that.
Oh yeah.
Work good?
Yeah.
Now on the smooth edge, you squeeze it tight in there, draw through. This side's made to squeeze back so it picks up the original bevel, works the original edge back up on the blade. You buy a good expensive knife, you want to keep the original edge. Yep, they'll stay sharper longer and you won't void a warranty. We are American made, lifetime guaranteed. Use them on kitchen knives, hunting knives, fillet knives. I use them on gardening tools. You use the leather when you're done, that polishes, takes them up to that arm shaving sharp. Quick and easy.
That's awesome. Yeah, look at that.
I dropped these down in the show today, $20 each. 2 for 30. Let me hit yours up. Here's a hawk bell, very hard to sharpen. Take the serrated part right in the middle. I've done every kind possible. It will not chew up the teeth. It won't knock them down.
That's what I was worried about, yeah.
Yep, see, no metal at all came off. Feel how sharp they went. That works, don't it? These ain't from Dina Donga now. The hook part, squeeze it, draw through. The pin's sliding so it finds that edge for you. We're 100% American made. We offer lifetime guarantees. We do put our website right on the handle of the sharpener. You get good with these, you'll sharpen anything handed to you. Use leather or cardboard when you're done. That polishes. That'll give you a little bit more. I dropped these down in the show special, 20 each, 2 of them for 30.
These are the only commercial knife sharpeners I've ever found that actually work. I have 4 of them and I use them regularly. I have something that gets messed up all the time very easily, and I use it through one of those, big pair of scissors, sharp as hell right away.
Thank you.
Great, like a charm. I bought them about 10 years ago.
On that. Watch how sharp these will get. Any kind of serrated knife you got, roll them in the middle. It will not hurt the teeth. I've done all kinds. No metal comes off. You will grab shaving sharp. Any kind of serrated knife. Feel the teeth on there. Tell us if it works.
Actually, that's definitely better than it was before.
Let me do the front part now. On the smooth edge, put them on the end of the table, squeeze them in there tight, draw through. We made this side to flex so it follows the original edge, puts the original bevel back on any kind of blade. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do it. You can use leather or cardboard when you're done. That polishes, gives it a little bit more.
I got 3 or 4 of these laying around the house and in my car. They're freaking awesome.
Thank you. Oh, there you go, buddy. I do them 20 bucks each here today. Yep. 2 for 30. Here's a knife made by Tactical Team, serrated with a pencil blade. Take the serrated edge, roll it in the middle. No metal comes off at all. Drops down in between every tooth. Top to bottom, shaving sharp. Feel how sharp that one, buddy. Feel the bite on the teeth.
I see it.
You see it. Now on the smooth edge up front, squeeze it real tight, draw through. The pin's made to flex so it follows the original bevel. Takes the guesswork out, puts the original edge back on the blade. You buy a good expensive knife, you want to keep that original edge. They're quick, they're simple. Oop, give me some better paper here. Anybody can do it.
Yeah, I got it pulled out everything.
You're on.
Squeeze them in there tight, draw your blade through. We made the pins to flex so it follows the original edge. Keep the pressure on it. Bring the back of the knife up as you get sharper. They don't tear the steel or change your angles. They're made to line them up. Quick and simple. You want? I'll do yours too. I can also do any serrated edge knife.
Sign it and date it. The rest is us. Today is 5/28.
I do steak knives, bread knives, electric knives.
Yeah, today's date.
Here's a saw, very expensive knife. Roll the serrades in the middle, it gets it to vibrate, chatters through the teeth. And it'll get it all the way through, top to bottom. I'm not just brushing the tips. All the way through the serrate. See how sharp the serrate went.
That's amazing.
Ain't it? Now on the smooth edge, squeeze it in there tight, draw through. The pins are made to squeeze back so it stays with the original edge. You won't devalue a good knife that puts the original edge back on a knife. You know, these saws are very, very hard steel. There ain't very many sharpeners that will do them.
Awesome.
You can use leather or cardboard when you're done. That polishes, gives it a little more edge again. The bevel's set, it's ready. There you go, buddy.
Thank you. Look at that. That's amazing.
I'm dropping these down in the show today, 20 bucks each, 2 of them for 30. Made in America.
Mine's awesome.
Used them before, right?
Yeah, I've used it and it's amazing product.
Thank you. Brought his friends here. Switchblade knife. Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. They're made to squeeze back so they follow the original edge. They're quick, they're simple. Anyone can do it. Use a piece of leather when you're done. That polishes the edge, gives you a little bit more.
You can pick up on me Saturday in Pompano.
You folks used my sharpeners before?
Yeah.
Working good for you, right?
I bought 2 last shop,
All right.
but I've already lost them.
So you're here to get a couple more
I'm
then?
here to get 4
All right.
on the right side.
Super. Thank you.
No, they were great. Cousin of mine.
Used on fillet knives, hunting knives.
I know they were.
Yeah, let me give you. Sure, no problem. Let me give you started. I'll come talk to
Okay,
you. I'll make
thank
sure it's good.
Thank you.
All right, so we'll do 4. And I get it.
See that? Oh. You squeeze it in there tight, draw your blade through. The pins are made to squeeze back on the original edge, works the original bevel back in the blade. As you get sharp, bring the back of the knife up higher. You'll grab that razor edge back, quick and easy. We are 100% American made, lifetime guaranteed. Want to go a little sharper? Use a leather belt when you're done, strap it. That polishes the edge. But feel that, what do you think of that? Works good, don't it? I do them today, 20.
I got this knife right here. I was looking at all your stuff.
All right.
If you don't mind, give me a little demonstration on it.
Show you it works. Serrated edges, only sharpener that really does them, will not damage them. Take a serrated knife, roll it in the middle. This makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth. Sounds horrible, but it does not hurt the teeth at all. You can see that fresh shine on there. And it gets it from the top of the tooth right to the base. Do the front part now. Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. This side's made to squeeze back on the original edge, puts the original bevel back in the blade. Taking a good brand knife, razor sharp. You can use a leather strap when you're done or a piece of cardboard. That polishes the edge. That's what gets you up in that arm shaving. They're quick, they're simple, we are American made. We'll do any serrate, any kind of blade. It work?
Yep, absolutely. You can even see some of the hair staying on the blade too. Yeah, it works awesome. I used to shave my arms if I needed to.
All right.
My name's Jim. Use this product. It's the best for doing a hogbill blade, sharpen a hogbill you can find. It's easy. It's the easiest sharpener you can carry in your backpack with you out in the field. You carry one of these, you don't need anything else.
Hi, this is John Howard from Miami, Florida. I want to let you know about the Block Sharpener here. I purchased one about a year ago, and I use it probably twice a week between my knives, my fishing knives, my hunt knives. It's It's the easiest and best sharpener I've ever had. Carries in your pocket. I take it out of the boat. I love it.
Thanks, man.